Hello everyone, welcome you all the students of first year BCom on this platform of KTHM e-learning. In the earlier lecture, we have discussed the revised syllabus of business environment and entrepreneurship, that is for semester 4. And today we are going to start the first unit of this subject, that is entrepreneurial behavior. So the unit number 1 is entrepreneurial behavior. Friends, in this unit we will discuss the introduction of this topic. After that, we will also understand the meaning and definition of entrepreneurial behavior. Next, we will study characteristics of entrepreneurial behavior. Then we will understand the approaches to the study of entrepreneurial behavior. And last, we will learn the role and importance of entrepreneurial behavior. Now, let us come to the introduction of this topic. So, friends, entrepreneurs are the seeds of industrial development, and the fruits of industrial development are greater employment opportunities to employed youth, increase in per capita income, higher standard of living, and increased individual saving revenue to the government in the form of income tax, sale tax, export duties, import duties, and balanced regional development. Entrepreneurial behavior is directly concerned with the understanding, prediction, and control of human behavior in enterprises. So, now let us understand the meaning of entrepreneurial behavior. Friends, entrepreneurial behavior has been defined as the study of human behavior involved in identifying and exploring opportunities in creating and developing new as well as exploring and creating virginities while in the process of Amazon organization. Entrepreneurial behavior is also increasingly recognized as a proponent to social change and facility innovation within established organization. Now, let us see definitions of entrepreneurial behavior. So, the first definition is entrepreneurial behavior is a subset of entrepreneurial activities concerned with the understanding, predicting, and influencing individual behavior in entrepreneurial settings. Second definition is entrepreneurial behavior is also increasingly recognized as a proponent to social change and facilitating innovation within established organization. Now, let us understand the characteristics of entrepreneurial behavior. Friends, entrepreneurial behavior includes innovations, creativity, creative organization, values, qualities of a successful entrepreneur, and the social responsibility to be assumed by him. Now, let us see first characteristic is facing uncertainties. Friends, an important characteristics of an entrepreneur is that he faces uncertainties, maybe in respect of new uses or new commodity or in respect of profit or losses. For that, he believes that till these uncertainties and unfamiliar conditions are not faced with patience, there will be no gain or no profit. So, for facing the uncertainties, he bears patience in many ways. Second characteristic is positive self thinking. The entrepreneur has positive thinking is no way he loses the courage. So he has the hopes of achieving success in all his works and hence is very conscious about himself. Besides, if he commits some mistakes or errors, he accepts them readily. He never likes someone giving him directions and control his activities. All his activities and behavior are governed by his internal instincts. Now, third one is bearer of balanced risk. Friends, the entrepreneur bears the various types of risk like time, money, and efforts in starting the business, depreciation in operation of the business, fluctuations, risk relating to non-acceptance of new things by the consumers, changes and fluctuations in pricing, etc. But he gives performance to the middle path of all risk for bearing balanced risks, so that loss may be minimum, which may be borne out. Otherwise, it will not be easy to start the business. Fourth one is freedom. Friends, the entrepreneur has the qualities of freedom of values, thoughts, and activities because he wants to become the master of his own, does not like the directions and suggestions of others. He likes to act on his own inspirations and does not like to be controlled by others. Hence, by behavior, he dislikes working for others. Now, next, fifth is use of feedback. The entrepreneur carries out functions right from the first step to the last step for any particular assignment. At the end, he uses the feedback. The reason being that in spite of the use of best of intelligence and caution, some lapses are certainly left out. So from time to time and step by step, he makes introspection. Now let us see next characteristic is initiative. The entrepreneur has the quality to initiate, the reason being that he alone has to lead in all spheres and activities. He finds out responsibilities for himself to work in various spheres and also ascertains whether he will be able to bear the increasing responsibility with possibilities of expansion in work or not. This way, the entrepreneur finds out responsibilities for initiations, which is known as entrepreneurial behavior. Next is self-confidence. The self-confidence of an entrepreneur is the essence of his success. This is mighty power and inspiration by which one can cross all hurdles. He has confidence about his capabilities. If he does not think so and behave strongly to do anything, however big or small, he will not be successful. Next characteristic of entrepreneurial behavior is firmness. Friends, the entrepreneur believes in firmness. He feels that if he makes the firm determination and sincerely carries any risk or task, even the most difficult task becomes easy and he may achieve his goal. For this, he always perceives and consistently watches the environment, various circumstances, and then goes on striving accordingly. Hence, it may be stated that the entrepreneur vigorously acts with firmness in his behavior. Next is dynamic tendency. The entrepreneur uses the latest techniques, equipment, and tools in operation of the business and establishment of industry and adopts the latest modern philosophy. Next is capacity and need for achievement. So, the target of the entrepreneur is to attain big achievements. For that, the capacity to take decisions for risk and innovations is necessary. He always desires to achieve success for the progress of the business. Next characteristic is flexibility. So the entrepreneur has the speciality of being flexible. He takes decisions according to time, circumstances and environment, and also in accordance with the understanding of other persons. He can mold himself to other persons' point of view and by acquiring new techniques. So it is stated that the decisions taken by entrepreneurial behavior are rather flexible. Next is stress bearer. When someone desires to do something worthwhile, he has to bear several difficulties, pains, and stress. An entrepreneur is a person who is capable of bearing all types of stress. The main reason being that he is laborious and also possess adequate inspiration and energy. Next is organizing capabilities. Friends, the entrepreneur has to perform various functions himself and also to get the work done by others. He allocates work according to the taste, knowledge, and experience of the workers and coordinates with them. Besides, he also provides various types of motivation to the non-performing workers to make them work. This way, he fully utilizes his skills in organizing them. Next is desire to discover. The entrepreneur makes efforts to bring about something new in all areas. He may find out new raw materials, new staff to serve, new customers to consume, and utilize all available resources. Hence, the entrepreneur avails all opportunities for the fulfillment of the desire to search the opportunity or work. Now, next characteristic of entrepreneurial behavior is motivator. Friends, an entrepreneur is a motivated person. He always keeps himself enthusiastic for some new activities and searching for new resources or for providing new facilities and for making improvements. Beside, he encourages others. By using motivation, he accomplishes the task. So it may be stated that the entrepreneur behaves in a manner of processing quality of motivation. Next is future oriented. Friends, whatever the entrepreneur does, he does it for himself, for the generation to come, so that his contribution may keep on being utilized and he may also keep on earning for himself. Next is prediction about possibilities of success. The entrepreneur works in various spheres and takes the right decisions and also predicts the possibilities of the extent of success because of various types of abilities, behavior, and qualities. And last characteristic is analytical ability. Friends, the entrepreneur acquires ability to analyze his work. His analysis helps him to make sound decisions rationally. His analytical ability helps him to avoid risk and get success in his work. Now let us understand the approaches to the study of entrepreneurial behavior. So the first approach is human resource approach. Friends, entrepreneurs should provide active support to workers by treating them as part and parcel of the unit. Entrepreneurs should provide opportunities and encouragement to workers to work under mild supervision. Next approach is contingency approach. According to this approach, there is no single way to handle the human resource under all conditions. The behaviors or methods successful in one situation may fail in other. Next is productivity approach. Productivity means the numerical value of the ratio of output to input. Higher the value of this ratio, greater is the efficiency and effectiveness of the entrepreneur. And last approach is system approach. According to system approach, an enterprise is powered with several subsystems which are highly and closely interconnected. Any action taken to solve the problem in one subsystem will have its effect on the other. Thus, this approach gives the entrepreneur a way of looking at the enterprise as a whole group, and the whole social system. Now, let us discuss the role and importance of entrepreneurial behavior. Friends, entrepreneurship is a process of action of an entrepreneur who is a person always in search of something new and exploit such new ideas into gainful opportunities by accepting the risk and uncertainty with the enterprises. Some are the role and importance of entrepreneurial behaviors are given. So the first role is understanding human behavior. Friends, entrepreneurial behavior plays an important role to develop full knowledge about the behavior of employees. Next is predicting human behavior. Entrepreneurial behavior also help in predicting the future employee behavior. This would allow them to take preventive measures. Next is control and direct behavior. Entrepreneurial behavior assists entrepreneur to direct and control the human behavior to build successful enterprises. Next is entrepreneurial effectiveness. It helps in better use of raw material and other resources to improve the quality of work in the enterprises. Next is motivation. So, entrepreneurial behavior helps the entrepreneur to identify the needs and requirement of the employees and motivate them. Next is better human relations. Entrepreneurial behavior also helps in maintaining cordial human relations in an enterprise. It assists to find out causes of industrial conflicts. Here we are going to stop this lecture. Thank you.